As a child of God, I am greater than anything that can happen to me. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I hope you all are well and safe. So let's start with today's story. In this video, I am going to tell you all the story about youngest male acid attack survivor Aditya Raj, who was kidnapped by his mother's stalker after she refused to leave her husband and marry him. So let's know more about him in detail. Aditya's mother Soni, 26-year-old, had been harassed by neighbor Mangal since the beginning of 2016. Despite knowing that she was already married, he repeatedly asked Soni to leave her husband and marry him. In a bid to escape the harassment, the family even moved districts for a fresh start. But on 13 December 2016, 2-year-old Aditya went missing while he was playing outside the house, and Soni quickly feared the worst before calling the police. Next morning, Aditya was found in a roadside dustbin with serious acid burns. The major affected area were his eyes and nose. Aditya underwent 3 surgeries. In the first surgery, the doctors were able to save his eye with the surgery on his upper eyelid, and the second operation was done on his lower eyelid. It was important to operate on his eyelid first, as the attack had left his eyelids contracted and he could not close it. The third surgery was done on his nose. Doctors reconstructed the side of his nose by taking tissue from his forehead. Interestingly, the case prompted a change in the law for compensation to acid attack victims in Haryana. The compensation scheme for acid attack survivors in the state only included girl and woman survivors until 2016. But in 2017, the court made the scheme applicable to male survivors as well and granted compensation to Aditya under it. While Aditya was recovering in the hospital, Soni gave birth to another baby boy in January 2017, and he has become Aditya's companion and best friend. He has been a huge help in Aditya's recovery, and he cannot be apart for a minute throughout the day. It's beautiful to see him being so loving towards his younger brother, but the parents hope that he never compares himself with him as they grow up. Aditya will be left with the scars forever, but they hope his little brother will help him feel okay about it. After this incident, if Aditya sees a stranger now, his first instinct is to run inside the house or simply break down. His left eye doesn't shut anymore. He sleeps with his left eye open. So this was the story of youngest male acid attack survivor Aditya Raj. Hope one day his signature turns into autograph. Thank you.